What is up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jonathan Temez, and today I got another video for you. You guys haven't seen me in a minute. I haven't uploaded in a minute. There's no any new ASRV gear in my collection, but I just been low-key investing in all my videography and photography equipment for my side business. So like you can see, I got my monitor right there. I got my M1 MacBook right there. I got a lot of equipment for videography and photography. So if you have any questions, hit me down in the comment section below. I will be uploading a lot more content towards my videography and my photography and other things as well. So I'm gonna hold back on the ASRV right now. They have a lot of dope shit coming out right now. I wish I can cop it all, but right now I've just been slowly reinvesting in my camera gear. So stay tuned for videos about that. I've been doing weddings, quinceañeras, funerals, events, so a lot of that stuff will be uploaded on my channel, behind the scenes of me working, doing my videography and photography stuff. So a lot of new stuff is going to be coming to my YouTube. I haven't been posting in a minute, but best believe we're going to get back on track. And when I was uploading my videos, I was recording on my good expensive camera gear, but I was editing on my iPhone. Now I will be editing on my M1 MacBook. So I'll be getting a lot more efficiency, and I won't be have to waiting so long to download the clips to my phone. So yeah, so more content will be uploaded to my YouTube channel, so look forward to that. And yeah, just a lot of stuff's been happening, so just stay tuned. I wanted to get back in skateboarding. I haven't skated in quite some time. I do have an electric skateboard. I have 2 of them as well. If you want to know what kind, hit me down in the comment section. But I used to skate it and shred back in the day when I was younger, and I haven't touched a skateboard till I was like, the last time I touched a skateboard when I was like 23, 24, I think 25, around that time. Then I got knee surgery, and I haven't touched a skateboard since. But I wanted to jump back on it, so I ended up picking up a board over here on Tilly's. So I ended up picking up a skateboard, a complete skateboard from Tilly's. They had Afterpay, so you know I'm a big fan of the Afterpay and jumping on the payments. So I ended up looking on there and doing my research. There wasn't too many YouTube videos of complete skateboards from Tilly's, so I was kind of skeptical of putting my money towards it. And what's different is the trucks are the same brand as the board. So you got Element Complete, you got Element trucks and blank bearings. Then you got Enjoy Board, Enjoy trucks. You got a Baker board and Baker trucks. So I was kind of skeptical of buying the complete. But there were from $84.99 to $99.99 to $109.99. Then you got some other ones that were $114 and $130 that I guess the trucks get a little bit better and the bearings get a little bit better. So I got the $114.99, and this is it right here. So this is it right here. I got a size 8 Enjoy board right here. Like I said, I haven't ridden a skateboard in such a long time. I did have knee surgery, so I'm going to take it easy. I'm not going to go too crazy. Just something I can get back into before I get too old and I can't ride a skateboard no more. So this is it right here. You got Enjoy wheels right there. Got Enjoy trucks right there. Yeah, so nice little complete, very light. I got one size 8. So we'll see how it rides, we'll see how it holds up, and we'll see if I end up purchasing another one from Tilly's website. So here it is, boom, of it. But yeah, this is the board. And you know, since I don't skate no more, I don't have no skate shoes. So I had to get some skate shoes. And the colorway that I got, I wasn't too crazy about the colorway. I wanted the all black one so I can wear it with multiple things. Then he has some great green ones that I wanted to rock, but they didn't have my size. So I ended up copying this colorway. And what's in the box right now, they threw some Takis. I guess they're having a giveaway, cash 500 cards, so pretty dope. I'll look more into that. Then when you buy a complete skateboard from Tilly's, you get a free wax. So this is gonna come in handy when I want to wax up a red curb. Red curb, painted curbs are always the curbs to skate. Best believe that. So another 20% off. We're using that pretty soon. Do. And so the shoes that I got are the Nigel Houston SBs. Boom. Here it is right here. This is a second pro model. So this is gonna be pretty dope. You got gray on the midsole, Nike swoosh, orange hits right here, all on the sides. Nice 3M right here, and laces, and white bottom. So can't wait to wear these, see how they hold up. I'm rocking right now with the ASRV shirt and my ASRV joggers, and with the hat. It's gonna be looking six with this fit. So, but other than that, thank you so much for staying tuned, and thank you for all the support, the comments, people hitting me up, subscribing. Stay tuned for more content. More heat's gonna be coming out. I'm excited, look forward to it. And other than that, we out.